In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Agentforce agent in Salesforce. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes to complete, perfect for anyone new to Salesforce or looking to enhance their team's capabilities. First, you'll start by navigating to the Setup tab within your Salesforce platform. This is where you have the power to configure a wide array of settings. Now, look over at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the Advanced Setup menu, a crucial area where you'll have access to various user configurations. Once you're there, search for Users in the search bar. This will direct you to the Users section of Salesforce, where you have the ability to manage user accounts effectively. Next, look for a button that says New User and click on it. This option will allow you to create a fresh account for a new Agentforce agent. In this section, you'll be prompted to enter some essential information about the new user. One of the most important fields you'll need to fill out is the email address of your new user. Make sure you input the correct email address here, as it will be the primary means of communication with the system and the user themselves. Double check to ensure there are no typos, as this will prevent any future mishaps or communication issues. Then, it's time to assign a role to your new agent. Look for the profile drop-down or similar option that might say Role or Assign Role and click on it. Here, you'll see several roles you can choose from. Typically, roles such as System Admin or Standard User are available. Assess the needs of your organization and the responsibilities of the new user to decide the most appropriate role for them. Having the right role is critical, as it defines how much access and control the new user will have within Salesforce. Once everything looks good and all the information is entered correctly, it's time to proceed to the final step, which is clicking Send Invitation. This action will send an automated email invitation to the new user's provided email address. The invitation will guide your new agent through the process of setting up their credentials and accessing the system for the first time. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom Agentforce agent in Salesforce. Remember, adding new users and managing roles efficiently helps in maintaining a structured and organized workflow in your organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to maximize your Salesforce experience.